Good morning, students of class 12th. In the previous video, we have discussed that what is product method and how do we calculate national income from product method. We have only understood that, but you won't be able to solve the questions only from the practical knowledge until and unless you will know that how we are going to solve them in numerical way. Okay. So today I am going to do some questions for you so that you can understand that how to solve the problems of the questions of national income by product method. Okay, you will be seeing the question on your screen while I am doing it. Okay, so I have the copy of the question and you will be seeing it on the screen while I will be doing the question. Okay, so let's see. Like, first question is that we have to find out the value of n and v at fc. Okay, it is net value added factor cost. Sorry, we have to find out the value of net value added at factor cost. And as you will see the question on the screen, there are given durable user producer goods with a lifespan of 10 years, single use producer goods for 5 lakh rupees, sales for 20 lakh, output sold, unsold output produced during the year, and taxes on production. Okay, so I have already told you that how to calculate income from product method. First of all, in the product method, the aggregate which we get is gross value added at market price. Okay, it is gross value added at market price. So it is already given, we already know that it is value of output minus intermediate consumption. Okay, it is value of output minus intermediate consumption. So value of output, I have already told you, it is sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Okay, so the value of sales is already given in the question clearly, it is 20, plus change in stock is given that unsold output sold produced during the year, that is 2, and minus intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption, I have already told you that intermediate consumption is the cost of raw material, and in the second point it is clearly given that single use producer goods, these are the cost of intermediate consumption, and that is rupees 5 lakh. Okay, now we will solve it. It is 22 minus 5. When we do 22 minus 5, then we will get 17. Okay, 17 lakh will be your answer, but it will be the value of GVA at MP. But we don't have to find GVA at MP, we will have to find NVA at FC, as the question is asking us for the NVA at FC only. Okay, so how do we calculate NVA at FC? I have already told you that we have to convert NVA at FC from GVA at MP. Now for converting GV at MP, first of all, for converting G to N, I have to deduct depreciation. For NVA is NVA is VA only, and for converting MP to FC, I will have to deduct net indirect taxes. Okay, so GV at MP is 17 lakh minus the value of depreciation. I will calculate here in rough work. Depreciation equals to, depreciation will be equal to your, the value of durable user producer goods is 10 lakh and number of years is 10, so the value of depreciation will be 1. Okay, so it is minus 1 minus the value of NIT. The value of NIT is taxes on production, it is given 1, so the value of net indirect taxes will be 1 only. So when we will solve it, we will get 15. Okay, so 15 lakh is your answer, and it is the value of NVA at FC. I hope question number 1 is clear to you. Now we will do question number 2 to another problem so that you can understand it in a clear manner. Question number 2 says that, it will be shown on the screen. Question number 2 shows that fixed capital goods with a lifespan of 5 years is rupees 15 lakh, raw material is 6 lakh, sales 25 lakh, change in stock minus 2, and taxes on production is 1. Okay, and you have to find out in question number 2 the value of NVA at MP. You have to find out NVA at MP. Okay, so by product method what we get? We get GVA at MP, and GVA at MP equals to value of output minus intermediate consumption, and the value of output is sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Okay, so the value of sales, it is clearly given that it is 25 lakh, plus change in stock, net change in stock is given minus 2, minus intermediate consumption, it is the cost of raw material, I have already told you, and it is 6 lakhs. Okay, so it will be 25 minus 2, that is 23, minus 6, and 23 minus 6 will be your 17, sorry 17, right, it will be 17 lakh. Okay, now it is GVA at MP. Now you have to find the value of NVA at MP, as question is asking you for NVA at MP, and it is GVA at MP. So as I have told you that for converting G to N, you will have to deduct depreciation, right? You will have to deduct depreciation for converting G to N. So it is 17 minus the value of depreciation. Depreciation is the total cost, that is 15, divided by the number of years used, that is 15 divided by 5, and that will be 3 lakh, right? That is the value of depreciation, we have calculated it in rough, and that will be 17 minus 3, and 17 minus 3 will give you what? It will give you 14. So the answer is 14 lakh. So I hope you would have understood that how do we calculate the NV at MP from product method and how the questions are done. Okay, now, so students, I hope you would have understood that how do we calculate national income or other aggregates from the product method. As in the questions of product method, generally national income is not asked, it is asked in the expenditure method or the income method. So in the next video we will be discussing that what is expenditure method and what is income method, and how do we calculate income from expenditure method or income method. Okay, till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.